We dealt with fractions last day, remember? Um, let's practice. Means let's revise them. X plus 1 into x plus 3 into x minus 4 into x plus 5 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 whole divided by x plus 10 into x minus 19 into x plus 20. It is greater than equal to 0. The number is very big. Too big to be imagined. We need the number line from here to here. Is our number line okay? Okay. Has deleted for good. It has deleted for good. Number line, let's plot the points. -1, -3, 4, -5, 3, 2, 3, -10, 19, -20. -20, -20, -10, -3, 5, -3, -1, -5, -3, -1, 2, 3, 4, 19. 2, 3, 4, 19. Positive part, negative part, positive part, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Wow, that's a huge number line. Very big. X belongs to greater than equal to 0. We'll take the positive parts. -20, -10, close bracket, union, -5, -3, union, -1, 2, union, 3, 4, union, 19, infinity. We got the value of infinity, right? No, we didn't get the value. We just understood why we write a open bracket after infinity. No? So this is a basic practice. Try it. Now these days we'll discuss about exponents. Exponents in wavy curve. Okay. Exponents in wavy curve. Suppose something is given. X minus 1 whole square into x plus 3 is greater than equal to 0. We'll, we'll write it in a way x minus 1 into x minus 1 and x plus 3. We'll write it in this way. No, it doesn't make it sense. We take the number line 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3. Then we'll give like this. plus minus, then when x belongs to 1 comma 1 union 3 comma infinity. It doesn't make any sense. 1 comma 1 means the value of 1 only. Na? The value for 1 only. Means you might be saying, okay, 1 set union 3 comma infinity. Na? What is 2? 2 has any problem, or do you have any problem with 2? If 5 into 1 is greater than 0, no? Therefore, this process is wrong. I forgot. No? The whole process is wrong. We do with this. Okay, this process is wrong. What do? We keep it as it is. Okay, we keep it as it is. We take our number line, small, good number line. We pull out the points 1 and 3. Now see, it is always positive. I have shown you. Previously, what we did. Do you remember first time how we started this? We started with the way that this plus, minus plus, something just like this now. Now we will do like this with the curve. This is for your own good. Okay, this process is the best way, as you don't need to draw any wave curves or any fluctuation in drawings. You don't need to draw at all. Just plus signs minus. But it may cause problem in your exam sheets, as the teacher would say, where is the curve? That's why it is positive. You know, I might have taught you this part, that this part is of 3. Okay, this part is home. It is 3's part. It is 3's part. And 3, it goes down. It goes. I'm not able to draw one curve. Yes, done. Okay, so this is 3's part. Now 1. 1 has a square on it. How will it affect it? It will affect in a way that it won't go up, it will go down. Okay. Yes. It will only go down again. Why? If x belongs to, we need greater than possibilities. First, we need to do. You had done equalities, no? You know, I did it whole wrong. How do we do this type of problem? First, we take our pretty number line. It's good, better, best. Okay. We draw the 2 points, then put the values -3 and 1. How did you get the values? Just equating them to 0. Okay. Now, it is always positive part. Then this part is of 1. Okay. Now see that the power is 2. If the power is 2, then there will be no change. Not only 2, if the power is even. If power is even, then no change in curve. Okay, it will again become positive. How to draw them, can you teach me? Just positive again. Then this part is of -3. It has power 1. I'm correct now. It has power what? 1. No, 1 is odd. If power is odd, then no. Oh, sorry. Then there will be change in curve. Perfectly fine? Yes. Now this is the power is even, then sorry, odd, then it will go down as there will be a change. Forgive me for my drawings. Minus. Okay. So what will be the necessary values for x? X belongs to what? This hollow. This is solid, no? You've done it. You must have done it. In inequalities, for solids, hollow. Since it is equal to, then it must be solid. No. Close bracket -3 comma 1 union close bracket 1 comma infinity. And we won't write it in this way. We can just write in the way that from -3 to up to infinity, then x belongs to -3 comma infinity. Just done. So this is our answer. Okay, this is our simple answer. So that is how we deal with exponents in wavy curve. Let's do another problem. Yes. X plus 3 into x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1 whole to the power 101 whole divided by x minus 5 whole to the power 50 into x plus 1 whole cube into, sorry, it shouldn't be x plus 1 whole cube, must be x plus 5 whole cube. It's done. Okay, and x plus 10. Simple, which is lesser than equal to 0. Now, how can you do that? Just remember the fact that I'm making these problems on myself. Therefore, don't blame if they're illogical. First, we draw a number line. Yes. We plot the points. -3, 1, -1, 5, -3, 10. It's 3 or, oh, it's 5, -5 actually. Okay. Start with -5, -3, -1, 1, 5, 10. Plotted the points. Now simple. This is always positive. Okay, can I draw any arcs? Okay, I don't have the arcs. Intelligent identification, will it help? No, yeah. Oh, it's not working. Okay, leave it. 10. This is 10. It has the power of 1. It has power what? 1, which is odd. Therefore, it will go down. Means the sign of inequality will change. minus. The 5, this is the part of 5. The power is even. 50 is even number now. Therefore, it will go down again. Minus. This part is a 1. It is again even. 2. Wait. Let me tell you the fact of the day. 2 is the only even prime number. You must have known it. Now see. This part is done. Okay, it's not visible. This point is -1. This point is 1. With this point. Okay, it will help. Then this point is -1. -1 here. The power is odd. It has 101 in it. Then it will go up. -3. -3 where is this? Yes, it is odd. Then it will again go down. Okay, if you want to choose a region and want to know whose region is this, then choose this. The right term means 10, 5, 1. For this part to choose 5, for this part choose 10, for this part choose 1, for this part choose -1, such. Then next part is of -5. Its whole cube, then it will go up. Okay, it will work. Now given x belongs to, now you know we have done fractions. It is in fraction. Now let's make some hollow and some solid points. -5 is where? It's down or up? It's down, therefore it is hollow. Since it won't be equal to 0. -3, where is it? Down or up? Up. Then it will be solid since it is equal to 0. Next, -1, down or up? Up. Hollow or solid? 1, up or down? Up. Solid. 5, up or down? Down. Hollow. 10, up or down? Down. Hollow. Okay, I've done a mistake. Just change the question. Let it be -10. Okay. Now, if you write the answer, what's the answer to this? We need the negative values. Hollow -5, comma, solid 3. Just write from here to here. Don't write to this union this, this union this. We don't need to write. Just write union from here to here. Is the whole is negative. Okay. What is this? -1 hollow. -1 solid, sorry. -1 solid, comma, 10 hollow. And this 5 is hollow. Therefore, the set of 5 will just get detached from it. You have done inequalities, then you will know what this. This means that this minus of this. Okay. So 5. So this is our required solution. Okay, done. This video, okay, it is just completed in 4 slides. You know, there's not much of them in wavy curves. You know, next time we'll discuss about what? We'll do some problems. I have a lot of problems. We'll discuss some problems in our next class. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Good night.